So today I'm gonna be unboxing and I'm gonna show you what's inside a stamp cross stitch kit. So I recently bought a cross stitch and I thought it was a normal canvas one, but when I received this package, it's called a stamped cross stitch on a sailcloth, and this is how it looks like. It's a kit. It comes with all the thread needed. And this is my first time doing this. I've done this in grade school. That was like almost 17 years ago. So this would be my first time to do it again in a long time. So I'm going to show you what's in the kit. It comes with a pattern. Here's the picture of the pattern. There's fall, winter, spring, and summer. And then there's an instruction, which is really useful. Here's the sailcloth with a stamped design in it. So it's kind of like for beginners. So as you can see, this cloth is pretty thin. It's thin compared to the canvas, which I'm very used to before. So I don't know if you're gonna like it. It probably depends on what you prefer, but you can try it out. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know if I would like it or not. I'll give you an update once I get started with this. And I also noticed that the edges fray, so I would need to do something like sew it or tape it with a painter's tape. I'll show you in the end how I put a painter's tape on it. So here's the instruction. They would teach you how to cross stitch, like the beginner, how the right way to do it and how the wrong way to do it. And there's the type of stitches that you're going to use. There's like a satin stitch, lazy daisy back stitch, and French knot. Just a refresher, I think, for those that haven't done it in a long time. And then there's the pattern, the colors, and how many strands you're going to use. There's a symbol for each thread that you have to follow, and then there's like different language on the back side. And then what is this? This is the legends. Like I told you, there's like some symbols, how many threads to use. It's called the key. So now I'm gonna show you how I would seal the edges, because it's fraying. And it's just gonna get worse if you don't seal it. I think I'm gonna sew it in the future, but for now I'm gonna put a painter's tape in it. So probably a tape would also work, but this is what I'm gonna do for now. So that's all for the stamp cross stitch kit that I got. I just want to show what's inside. Hope you like it, and I'll post more update videos, and I'll be working on this. Thanks for watching.
Dude, lay down, man. You're listen to your parents. The hamster, I guess.